Enterobacteriaceae family. This is E. coli, Capsula, and Proteus. Enterobacteriaceae, a large family of aerobic bacterial flora of the intestine and human and other animals. Capsules plus minus motility, general feature aerobic and the facultatives. You can see the biochemical reactions, classifications, lactose ferment E. coli, Klebsiella sp. late lactose fermentation, SIPs and others lactose fermentations, various non-fermenter. This is petri dish is very nice. You can see the lactose fermentations, yes, and the taxonomical classification Enterobacterius, the E. coli genus and Proteus, Escherichia. The classification is here. Genus Escherichia named Escherius 1985. E. coli, E. coli, Escherichia coli. The morphology gram-negative bacillus, single pair, motile by the parasite flagella, and found in some capsule and fibres and immotility, non-sporing forming 1.3 to 1.7 micromm. The showing the gram-negative bacillus and the petri dish flagella is bacteria culture characterize aerobic and the facultative aerobic 37 degree. S मतलब smooth form, sin isolate easily. R rough form, order. SR variations, many pathogenic isolated and the polysaccharide nutrient agar and blood agar में conky agar and broth में conky medium broth. Generally turbidity heavy deposit is broth. E. coli in nutrient agar. This petri dish is, you can see the E. coli nutrient agar, this bright colony, E. coli and blood agar. The two figure is right them E. coli in broth. E. coli on conky agar, mac. Biochemical reactions, sugar fermentation, glucose, lactose, mannitol, another IIMC, gelatin, H2S urease. Biochemical reaction of E. coli. Antigenic structures, O मतलब OKH, O is equal to K is equal to HCl, so far types, and valence factors, surface antigen O and K, O antigen and K antigen, fibrous examples, colonification factor antigen in enterotoxic E. coli causing human diarrhea.
आज तो वायरल नहीं थोड़ा थोड़ा हो
Why is the toxic one substance is fine? LT. The subunit A and subunit B is bread
No, na dasti yan.
GM1 over
Ano to hawar jahan ko lang.
reported and the
Relax na
epithelial
rin
cell.
wala mo wala ni Patanjali.
તો જવું જે હેડો
મસ્ત ડિબેટ હોય પણ એવી એટલે તો મને 40 રૂપિયા આપો
ST
બનાવીને આપો
is stable and toxin LMP.
તો દાદાની તમે 60 રૂપિયાની કરી દો આપણને 30 રૂપિયા મારા જોડે લે ને
very vitrotoxic
જો
virocytotoxic
પતંજલિના મોલ પણ એ મળવાનું એમાં કોઈ જોખમ જામ નહીં બગડે ના કે કોઈ ના
is has A and B subunits. The colony infections, UTI, urinary tract infection, diarrhea, polygenic infection, and septicemia. Urinary tract infections, common acquired E. coli bacteria, and infection, hospital acquired infections, and UTI. Is symptomatic bacteria, urinary tract infections ascending via urethra and descending via hematogenous route. The peritoneal date, the fetus, CAS, concept of significant bacteria, normal urine sterils, colony count, urine acceptations, urine sample collection and transportations. One to two over refrigerator. Preservative prevents bacteria sample. Qualitative and semi-quantitative methods. Culture. Quantitative and semi-sequent methods. Quantitative cultures and semi-quantitative culture. Describe. EPCS, enteropathogenic, isolated, E. coli. Enterohemorrhagic E. coli. Productivity. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज गोस्वामी चैनल को। बेहतरीन वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन।